In this video, we are going to review some interesting feature of SCCM. The main purpose of setting up this kind of structure is reducing workload of IT department and automating day-to-day jobs. After the initial installation, we must define our discovery method. With ADDS in hand, we can import computers, groups and users into the config manager, so we can use them for targeting software installation, updates and patches or Windows deployment. Then config manager agent must be installed on all systems. We have different ways to do this, but remote installation is very popular, and if we prepare the environment we can install to all of the clients. We can use other method like group policy software deployment and even local installation. The next step is to creating dynamic groups for targeting deployments more efficiently. Create a set of systems with similar characteristics for management objectives and targets for deployments could be much more helpful. For example, we can create a dynamic collection of Windows 7 64-bit computers and target Windows 7 x64 patches to them. Because of query-based membership rule, if we install any Windows 7 64-bit on clients, it will add automatically and the patches apply without any effort. After that we can import all of the application that may require in all of the environment. After importing and distributing the applications, we can make some of them required, and make available the others, for users or computers. In Software Update section, Config Manager uses WSUS under the hood and create a more flexible, manageable and dynamic environment for applying security patches and updates. First of all, Config Manager synchronize with Microsoft and retrieve list of available security patches and update for the product that we specified. Then, with the information that clients sent to it, it will show the required one and Config Manager administrator can make decision to apply them. After the downloading and distributing them, we can use reports to track the installation success. One of the most important features added in this part, installing security patches and updates at predetermined times or set maintenance windows. You can deploy patches to specific systems and specific time based on your management policy. Users also can see the installation procedure through Software Center and be more patient in deployment time. One of the most amazing feature of SCCM is Windows deployment. It can do the job fully automatically, and after setting things up right, there's no more effort. First of all, it defines the computers that must do the job, then make a backup of user's profile, install a clean copy of your predetermined Windows, apply device-specific drivers, install the applications, apply the patches, join the computer to the domain and restore user's profile without any simple human interaction. Different scenarios such as migrating from Windows XP to Windows 7 or 8.1 or 10, changing OS architecture, upgrade to Windows 10, and client replacement can accomplish with Config Manager Windows deployment. In current branch version of Config Manager, all Windows 10 versions are listed and we can define our Windows 10 servicing plan and apply the updates to them. We have powerful asset management in Config Manager. After installing the agent, the hardware and software inventory performs at specified time and transfer the inventoried items to the server. Then we can create reports or run queries and use this information for our management purpose. For example, we can create a dynamic group for all systems that have Office 2016 or create a report that shows all systems have less than 4096 megabytes of RAM. Sometimes the IT department want to measure the using of specific software for management purpose or licensing purchase. We can define the software metering and after that create reports based on usage of that specified software. What can you do when you want to apply some setting to the computers and make sure that they will never change? Config Manager make it easy for you. Create some compliance setting and your compliance baseline, apply them to your target, then the agent applies your set of settings. We have a powerful remote control tool in Config Manager and you don't need to install another tools to have remote access to the computers. It can be used with user approval or without it at any time. After all of this amazing feature, you can have a powerful endpoint protection for the computers and create your own anti-malware policies to protect your environment. Config Manager can take care of your time-consuming task in perfect way. Automate your environment.